Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, my name is Tamia if you don't know. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and whatever. So anyways, I'm gonna do a little tutorial with these clip-ins right here. These are 4C textured clip-ins or whatever. So, let's get started. I have 4C hair. And at this point, my shrinkage is like, nope, not cute. So, girl, what? Girl, what the what? What the what is this? So, the design I have in the front, I'm just gonna leave it on there because, I mean, I'm just gonna leave it on there. Just gonna leave it on there. These clip-ins, I got them from Amazon a while ago. I wore them one time. I dyed them. They dyed really good. But then I dyed them back black because, I mean, my hair's not that color anymore. So, we gonna see how they do, girl. But I'm just gonna go through and lightly detangle my hair real quick. And then we gonna get started on this tutorial. Alright, so this top, let me take this out. This top part is going to be like, maybe I should redo that. This top part is going to be like a little bun, so I'm going to part it off like this. Once I got my hair parted, I'm just going to section the back of it off by putting this little hair tie on it, like so. And then, oh girl, I need some, I'm gonna get me some more little rhinestones because I don't like how these looking. Go ahead and oil my scalp, girl, because my scalp, girl, my scalp be like very dry. So, I am finna take this down up here. So, I'm using Eco Styler Gel this time. Last time I used beeswax, but I'm gonna add a little Eco to my hair. I'm gonna add a little, and this is the wild growth oil that I use. Anywho. And I'm just going to flat twist it going back. Alright, y'all, so I got the front redid. I'm going to slick my edges back, like, at the very, very end. But, what I'm gonna do now is take my Eco Styler gel. Wait, this ain't Eco Styler gel. Did I say Eco Styler gel earlier? I don't know, but this ain't Eco Styler, y'all. This is Amp Pro Style gel. Girl. Girl, I'm sorry, girl. But I'm just going to add that to the end of this little situation I got going on in the front. Then I'm going to put a little oil on my hand. My hair can get so dry, y'all. Like, seriously. Seriously. Do I want to twist it all up like this? Alright, so just so that it'll get flat enough for me, I'm going to twist it up. I'm going to twist each side up to a little bun at the very top. Because I'm going to do like a bun with clip-ins in the back. Alright, so what I did now, this is how it's looking. And my little cape trying to come off. What I did was I parted out. I put this in a ponytail and then I parted out a thin section like that. That's going to be my leave out, which is what I'm going to blend with my clip-ins. Put that right there, and then the back, I'm just going to braid it straight back, and I'll be back to show you. Alright, so this is how my head looks in the back. And I'm literally just going to clip the clip-ins on the braids that I did in the back after I comb them out, because yeah. And so now I'm going to take this clip and just clip it around my ponytail. And then add a bobby pin. y'all. So I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm gonna explain to you how I'm blending this, right? So I'm adding water, my Bella Curls Defining Cream, and then my Ant Pro Style Gel to the section that I'm using. And to blend my hair with the clip-ins, I get a little bit of my hair in the clip-ins and I'm braiding it until, see, my hair ends right there. So I'm braiding it a little bit past that, and then I'm just twisting the ends. And then this one you may be able to see better. Alright, let's talk for a little bit. So what I'm doing is I took that piece out of my bun and I'm just like defining the curls, and I'm gonna let it dry overnight because I added like some water and some leave-in conditioner to it. And I'm just gonna define these curls and let it dry overnight. So honestly, I don't know how this is gonna turn out because these clip-ins, like, I don't like them. I don't. So once this dries, I'm gonna wrap it around my bun so that it'll be like texturish, like like, I don't know, I can't explain it. Y'all see in the morning. Alright class, so this leave out thing is a no-go for me. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do this style without leave out. So I'm just going to twist it. Do like a little tight twist or whatever. Just like this. And then the end, I'm gonna take it and pin it somewhere under there. No matter where, just pin it. Somewhere under here. I'm not a fan of these clip-ins, y'all. I'm not. Alright, so once you have that twist right there, what I did was I'm gonna take these, comb them out. Well, just really comb them out like that. Not really gonna go through the ends. Kind of just make them puffy like. And I'm gonna clip the ends. And I'm going to clip this backwards. So normally you would clip it like this, but I'm going to take it and clip it like this. And I'm actually going to clip it right on that twist. Which is right under my ponytail. So alright, and then once you clip them in backwards, just flip them over. And so no leave out. I should have did it first time, like. But hey, trial and error. And so I want the clip-ins more poofier, so that's why I'm like running my hands through it and stuff. So I really like this hairstyle. It's just the clip-ins are a no for me, but everything else look cute, girl. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and yeah.